Today, I'll walk you through how to make objects float in Premiere Pro. To start, set the duration of your clip to 8 seconds. Then, navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Click the Stopwatch Animation button next to Position to create keyframes for the object's movement. Now, move the timeline slider ahead 1.5 seconds. Increase the Y position value by 40 points. This will lift the object. Move the timeline slider ahead another 1.5 seconds. Decrease the Y position value by 40 points. This will lower the object back down. Continue this process, moving the timeline slider ahead 1.5 seconds each time and alternating between raising and lowering the Y position value. This will create the floating effect. To smooth out the motion, highlight all your keyframes. Right-click and select Temporal Interpolation. Choose Ease Out. Then repeat the process and select Ease In. And there you have it. You've successfully made objects float in Premiere Pro. Enjoy experimenting with this effect in your projects.